to the integration of Rasa chatbot with Telegram part 2. Okay, now we just need to correct some basic steps. So as our bot, we had registered our bot name as this, so we just need to correct this here in the config file. So we just need to put meet 20 underscore bot. The username for the bot has to be put here. Okay, and once this is done, just save this, and we just save this and start the Rasa server again. So as our Rasa server is running, we just need to run Rasa, as we'll get a prompt for when the application starts. So once that is done, we can go to the Telegram and we can test our bot. Yes, so now our Rasa is up and running. So what we'll do is we'll go to the bot and we will test the bot. Let's start and test the bot. Okay, so we say hello. Hey, how are you? I am fine. So we have other intents also. If I say I am sad, so it will send me a cute little cub showing that did that help you or no. But the main part of our bot is, what it will do is it will show us the IPL schedule, IPL T20 2020 schedule. So I just ask it what is IPL schedule. Okay, so now it is asking us to enter the date. So this is according to my settings. So there is a function which I have created, and we have our schedule as per the time. So here is the schedule. This is the schedule for 3:30 match on 20th of September, and this is the schedule, or these are the teams playing at 7:30 p.m. on 20th of September. So our bot is up and running on Telegram. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.